Welcome to Classy Tacos. Thanks for stopping by. I hope everybody's staying safe out there. I've been looking into getting some recovery points for the Tacoma, and I came across this rear hitch receiver from a company called Agency 6. It's made from 6061 aluminum, anodized in red. They have several different colors. I know they have a red, a black, and a silver. I think there's a blue one also. I like the red one. I thought it would go good with the tan. This particular kit comes with the 6061 aluminum receiver along with this D-ring. The receiver block itself is rated for 13,000 pounds. The D-ring is for 9,500 pounds. And some of the detail here is that it looks like it's etched in. It's not like a sticker. So I thought it was well made. I also like that you have the option, since you have two holes, you can kind of go in and out with how far you want it to go. And I like the option that you can run it like this, and they also provide a hole going this way, so you can run it like this if you want to. In the box, this is what the box looks like. And in the box, you get your hitch receiver, your D-ring, and then both your pins. I put a link to everything down below. So I'm kind of on like light duty because I tore my right bicep, so the next couple of videos I do might be kind of light on the wrenching. So in terms of pricing, I would say this company is like right in the center. You have your like kind of super cheap stuff, and then you have like factor 55, and this is a good mix of right in the middle of that. Let's go take a walk. Once we get out here, it's just kind of deciding on exactly how you want to put it. So you can either rock it like this or like this. I think this one kind of sticks out a little bit too much for me. So, and I like that you get to decide. So if you want it, you can have it come out this much or this much, and I like it just like that. So I'm going to just throw the pin through, put the locking pin in. Pretty much just like that, she's done. It's a nice, easy, light duty install. Just to make sure that this stays nice and tight, I usually will take like a screwdriver and I put it through it. Just make sure you get a thick screwdriver. Sometimes a punch can work too. And you want to get it to where, like, lock it up against something and then kind of give it a good turn, just like that, at least a half turn. So you're in, you're tight. So now there's no way, like, this is well beyond finger tight. Makes it a little bit more difficult for somebody to take it. I will say though, you want to remember, in case you're out, you know, in the woods having fun and you need to take it off, don't forget that you put this on so tight that you're gonna have to use a tool to help you get it out.